Hello, Leela Viss here. Thank you for purchasing your Olympic themed digital badge board for your 30-piece challenge. When you click on the link on the PDF that you download after you purchase the digital badge board, you will be forced to make a copy. So just click on that, make a copy, and then it'll take a little bit to make the copy. And there you go. You'll have your board. And now you can customize it as you wish. You're probably going to want to change the name of it to your studio name, whatever you would like. And then you're going to want to start adding in the names of your students. And you can do so by just clicking over the word name and add in names as you please. Now, this sheet has room for only 5 students. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make copies of the sheet. So you're going to go up to Edit and select all, or if you notice, Command A will select all. And then what you want to do is go to Edit and Copy, or Command C. So now it's copying all of that. And now you're going to go to the empty sheet that's at the bottom right here and move your cursor there. And then again, go up to Edit and then Paste or Command V, your choice, what you want to do there. Now you've got enough for 10 students, and you can keep going until you have enough for every student. Now, here is the gold part of this type of digital badge board, because it's all on one page. There's not all these pages to keep track of these 30 different pieces. So right now, each medal for each event is in what there is called a dark color. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So I clicked on that medal right there for basketball, and I'm going up to Image Options. And then I'm going to click on Recolor. And right now it is colored as dark 1. Now, when a student has prepared a piece to add to the 30-piece challenge, then that very first piece will award him a bronze medal. So to make it a bronze, you're going to go to the sepia color way at the bottom there. And that looks pretty much like a bronze medal. And then the next week, when you're ready to add piece number 2, then you're going to want to change this medal to grayscale, which will look more like a silver medal. And then when your student is ready to add piece number 3, that's when you go to no color, and there is the gold medal. And of course, that's what they want to achieve in all of these different events. So when they're ready to add piece number 4, just click on gymnastics and now change it to bronze. And that's how you can use this chart to keep track of your 30-piece challenge for this year. All the best to your Olympic worthy sight readers. Have a good year.